Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by eliminating interruptions. Close overlays and apps that can steal focus, because the taskbar appears when Windows thinks something needs attention. Once done, open Minecraft and confirm full screen is enabled in video settings. This forces exclusive full screen in many cases. If you still see the taskbar, press Alt plus Enter to toggle between windowed and exclusive full screen. This resets the display mode. Make sure Minecraft is the active window before you proceed to more persistent fixes. Next, address why the taskbar is appearing. Windows notifications and auto show can force it visible. You should disable taskbar auto show and mute notifications through Focus Assist because that prevents focus stealing. Also close overlay features like Discord or GeForce Experience. They inject UI and trigger the taskbar. Then, open Task Manager and set Minecraft's process priority to above normal so it stays frontmost. These steps reduce interruptions and keep exclusive full screen functioning as intended. To finalize, restart Explorer. EXE to ensure taskbar settings apply immediately. Open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer and restart it. This hides the bar without rebooting. Make sure your GPU drivers and the Minecraft launcher or Java are up to date, because driver bugs often cause the bar to appear. If the problem persists, test another exclusive full-screen app to determine if Windows or Minecraft is at fault. If Minecraft alone triggers it, reinstall or try the Bedrock/Java variant as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.